Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wow Wednesday and today I will be following a Bob Ross tutorial, so please enjoy. So these are all the paints I'm going to use. My water, this is going to be my sap green, and my paintbrushes are here. I do not have half the paint that he has, but I'm going to work with what I have.
Artworkfly.
Bob Ross painted his canvas with black gesso, then added a thin layer of transparent paint. Then he painted it with phthalo blue and sap green. I didn't have any of those, so I just used Mars black and a sap green that I made and a phthalo blue. I realized when doing tutorial paintings is that I try to do exactly as the artist, and for a painting like this, a landscape painting, you're not going to get the exact thing, meaning line for line, dots for dots, etc. And sometimes I can feel a little discouraged when this happens. My advice to myself and persons out there watching this video that loves to do art, what you can do is learn from the other artists and include your own interpretation or your own unique style. When you make a mistake, brush yourself off and start again. Your art will improve if you're very dedicated and passionate about it. If you want to see the video of Bob Ross tutorial, you can click the link below. What I'm painting here is a waterfall. It's the first time painting on a black canvas. I've painted on black cloth before, colored on black cartridge paper, but never painted on black canvas. This channel motivates me to try new things, so come along, join the Artworkfly fam and we will try new things together. The problems that I had when doing this painting are that the paint were drying too fast and I need some new brushes. These brushes are not doing their job anymore. Nonetheless, doing this painting was a fun learning process. I don't regret it at all. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. For my new subscribers here, thank you very much for subscribing. Keep on watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Artworkfly.